Hi everyone. Okay, so in this video I want to show you how AkadaLearn has been helpful to improve my daughter's performance in mathematics. I believe any child can do awesomely well in mathematics. So AkadaLearn launched this platform, Online National Mathematics Challenge. And through the mathematics challenge, students are expected to come online and take a life challenge which is specified for specific dates. So my child took the January edition, which was the first one for this year. And interestingly, when she did it, she scored 40 something percent. So in the early part when she took the mathematics challenge, she was always scoring 40%. And I sent the school had access to a platform, and they were able to see what she got right, what she got wrong. And the interesting thing was, with this, the school were fine. If you come on AkadaLearn, the child herself can see what she got wrong and why she got it wrong. Explanation to some of these things are done on the platform. Another thing is, I sent this to the school teacher of my daughter, and she was able to review and understand which area my daughter was not performing well and which area she needed improvement. Sure, word problem and trigonometry or things like that. And the teacher was able to do a lot more work on her. Now, interestingly, my daughter gets 90% in mathematics, 90%, 72%, yeah. But she just improved all of a sudden. There was even a time she got 96%. So the beauty of the AkadaLearn thing is it helps students to be able to know their weakness, and teachers can work with them in improving so that the child can be a lot better. I think this is a revolution to education. One of the things we did for my daughter to help her was to make her to be on the membership platform. So the premium membership, we did the 50,000 naira access, which gives her all the access to everything that AkadaLearn has to offer. AkadaLearn is rich in resources, so there are a lot of resources, from classroom to challenges, external examination, library, and a lot of things. You can see the classes. It covers all major classes, and from there you can see so the classes, you can see all subjects, virtually all subjects for all classes. And the external examination covers all major examination that a child will be taking, even JAMB and everything that you can expect a student to pass. It's all here on AkadaLearn. And the e-library is very rich. There are a lot of textbooks there, there are a lot of storybooks there, and a couple of other things that will be very helpful for your students. Extracurricular activity, these to become a tech genius, these 10 projects. There are a lot of other things like public speaking there, and I think it's a very rich solution. I think it's a solution that every child needs in their library. It's just a new way of using the textbook. It's just a new way of making students to have access to resources without breaking the bank. So I would recommend that every parent should subscribe this to their students and let their students to make use of AkadaLearn. It's a very helpful platform. Thank you.